Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to identify missing IDs in a table. So first I will show my table. This is my EMP table which contains 4 rows. So if you observe the data here, so there are some IDs are missing. 1, 3, 5, 6. So among these 2 IDs are missing. ID number 2 and ID number 4 are not there in the table. Okay, so I want to find out. So if it is 4 or 10, we can easily find out on face of it by seeing the ID numbers. We came to know that these are the IDs that are not there in the table. But there is lacks of records in the table, so you need to apply some logic to find out the missing IDs in the table. So I will show how to get the missing IDs. With missing IDs is the CTE name as. So here I am writing my logic here. Select e1.id plus 1 as missing ID. This is alias column name. From employees, this is my table name. From employees, I am giving alias name as E1. Okay. So I used to apply the left join here. Left join. I am using the same table one more time. Employees. E2. I am giving alias name. So in the on class, so I am writing the query E1.id plus 1 equal to E2.id. E2.id. Okay. So here in where class I am writing where E2.id is null. Okay. Now if you run this query subquery alone, so you can see 247. So actually in the table we have 1356, but while executing this logic of left join, you can see 247. 24 has missed. There is no 7. So we have only up to 6. There is no 7. So to avoid the 7, we can use one more condition. And E1.id plus 1 is less than select max of ID from your table name employees. Okay. Now if you execute this query, so you can see 2 and 4. So here I am using the left join. So E1.id. So actually I am taking the same table one more time using left join. So employees is the table. So in the table we have ID and name column. So I am giving alias name as E1.id plus 1. So what will happen E1.id plus 1 if you execute this one? So you will get 2, 4, 6, 7. So earlier we have 1, 3, 5, 6. For every ID it is adding plus 1. Okay. So I am giving some alias name for this. So left join E2, and in on condition I am applying on condition E1.id plus 1 equal to E2.id, where E2.id is null. So if you execute only left join up to this, you can see 7 also. So to remove the 7, to remove the null values, we can use the E2.id is null and E1.id plus 1 is less than max of ID from the employees, because we have only up to 6 IDs are there. So if you execute this one, you can get the 7 ID also, ID number 7. So which is not relevant. We want only less than this max of ID from this table, from the same table. That means it will take only IDs that are missing within the numbers, within the max number 6. You can select your city. Select star from missing IDs. See, 2 and 4 are the missing IDs. So this is my original table of 4 rows. Among these 4 rows, some of the IDs are missing. Those IDs are 2 and 4. So by executing this logic of left join, you can find out 2 and 4. So this is how you need to find out the missing IDs in your table by applying this logic. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.